David Nicholas with us this morning to cover the market. Is it time to buy, David?
Well, Stuart, welcome back. I mean, a lot of the reasons for investors to be bearish, I mean, they're behind us, right? We see inflation coming down. We've got through a banking crisis. We've now gotten through a government shutdown. And what? The markets keep heading higher. So we've been telling our viewers and our clients to buy. We've had pullbacks all year. And if you've bought during those pullbacks, it has paid off. But here's my caution, Stuart. We don't want to chase the areas of the market that have run up like the NASDAQ. We want to look at areas like travel. Deloitte just came out with a survey. 50% of Americans plan on vacationing more this year. If you look at the cruise lines, we talked about this a month ago, Stuart. JP Morgan, Bank of America upgraded the cruise lines this morning, Royal Caribbean, Carnival. I think there's still room to run in those areas. So there's a lot to be optimistic about, but we've got the Feds this week, and this is really a make or break moment for the market this week, Stuart.
I would have thought that the consumer price index out tomorrow at 8:30 Eastern time tomorrow morning, I would have thought that was more of a make or break for the market, because if inflation is coming down a little bit, that would ease up on the Federal Reserve. Make or break on the CPI tomorrow. What are you expecting?
Stuart, you're right. The biggest wild card for the market is tomorrow's CPI report. My gut tells me it's coming down. But look, this is anyone's guess at this point. But I think we're going to see rents coming down. We've seen energy stabilize. I think all of that bodes well for inflation to coming down. But it's really the language on Wednesday. So if we see CPI come down, which I think we will, and then if the Fed follows up with a pause, that's good news for the markets, but we want to own these areas of the market that have been beaten up, that haven't run up as much. But I can tell you right now, I mean, this could be pivotal. What happens Tuesday and Wednesday of this week, I think, will impact the market for the next few months. So it's important to watch what the Fed says and if they update their dot plot post-meeting on Wednesday, Stuart.
Got it. I tell you one thing, though, I am not selling my Microsoft at this moment.
Don't do it.
No plans to sell. I'm in there. David, thank you very much indeed. We'll see you again real soon.